How to download Zoom app on Windows laptop PC. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To download Zoom app on Windows laptop PC, first launch a web browser. Search for Microsoft or Windows Store. And then you need to click on the Microsoft Store link where you will get on this interface. Click search box at top right and type in Zoom. Here you will get the Zoom Workplace app. Open it and now click on Download button. Wait for a while until its exe file is getting ready to download. Once it gets downloaded, click on it and after that you need to double click to open it. The Zoom Workplace installer has already been downloaded, so it has been retrieving information. Wait for a while until it has been downloading. So once it gets installed, you can easily go to the Start menu to open it. So let's click on Windows search icon at bottom left corner of the screen and now search for Zoom. Click on Open and here it is. You can easily now use this Zoom application on your device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.